Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to disable the autoplay on your YouTube mobile application and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening the YouTube application for that, and once you open up the YouTube app, you can tap on your You option in the bottom right corner and then go ahead and access your profile right here. Now from this profile right here, look out for the settings gear icon at the top right and select it. And within there, select the option of general and tap on it. Once you tap on general, what you need to do is look out for the option of playback in feeds. So go ahead and tap on that option right there. And once you tap on it, you just need to select this option of off to prevent the videos from automatically playing as you scroll. You can also choose Wi-Fi only if you want the limit if you want to limit the data uses. Apart from that, what we can do is we can turn off the play next autoplay option. So you can go back or within YouTube itself, scroll down, look out for the playback option, and you can tap on this option of autoplay next video. You can just go over and turn it off by tapping on this toggle option right beside it. Also, you can go to one of the specific video that you would like to play. And once you start playing, you can just go over and look out for the autoplay option at the top, this one right here, and just go over and turn it off and pause it. That is also the way you can follow up and disable the autoplay on your YouTube mobile app. So those are probably the solutions you can follow up to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.